Hi, this is Dave Vera with Celestial Computers. I'm here today to give you a tutorial on how to add homepage content to your StarValleyHOA.com website. So let's go ahead and start. Let's go to the StarValleyHOA.com website. Now here we have the homepage for the website, and as you can see here is a post that I created a while back. And it's something that you could easily do with this, and I'm going to show you how to with this tutorial. We want to add more content, to do announcements, to do any type of update that you want your community to see on the home page. You'll do it right here. Okay, so let's start. On the top right here there's a login link. Go ahead and you can click that to log in. If you don't have a username or password, go ahead and register with this link here, and if you lost your password, go ahead and you can do that here with this link. Now, I'm bypassing all that. Let's go right to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. Okay, now it takes me back to the website, but in order for me to go into the system, into the website system, I'm gonna go on top here, okay, to the website name, and after the / I'm going to type in wp-admin. That's going to take me to the WordPress dashboard. So now the dashboard allows me to do a lot of things, and we can discuss that in other tutorials, but for now I want to tell you a little bit about WordPress. So WordPress is the management system that I use, the content management system that I used in order to create a website that is dynamically able to update content without having to know any code. So I created this so it's easy to use. You don't have to do any code. You could do it yourself, and it benefits both of us. So let's go to add a new post. So on the left here there's a menu that is called Posts. In that menu there's an arrow that you can click on to minimize and maximize the menu. In order to add a new post, you're going to go ahead and click on this add new link. Okay, and here is the menu for adding a new post. So I'm going to go right through the steps. On the top here is where you enter a title for your post. Below it is going to be where you can add content. Okay, now let me go through these little buttons here. This one here is a button to add an image. You can add video, audio, or other things that are media types. Okay, so let me go ahead and take you through the steps. If you want to add an image, okay, click on it. It's going to take you to a bunch of options. Most likely you're going to be uploading something from your computer, so go ahead and click browse. So we're going to browse for a picture that we want, and then we're going to click on upload. Okay, it's going to take a second. Then it's going to take us to the picture, and it's going to give us a couple of options. Okay, so all these options here are for the picture itself, but what you really want to focus on is going to be now you can add all this yourself if you want, if you wish, but here's how you post it on your website. You want it centered, to the right, to the left, and how big do you want it. So after you clicked all those options, go ahead and insert into post. Okay, so now it's there. So if you click on visual on this tab here, okay, it's going to go ahead and it's going to show you the picture that you just added. Okay, you can click back between visual and HTML, but just go to visual, click on visual, so you don't have to look at any of that code, but it's optional for you to be, so it's there for you if you know any type of code. you just go to the visual. You don't have to worry about code. Just plug and play. Alright, so there's my picture. That's how you add a picture. And similarly, adding video is the same. It'll ask you to browse and upload the video. Okay. Alright, the next thing we're going to look at is once you're finished with your post content, you can write an excerpt about it if it's a long post over here. Okay, and you keep going down. If you want comments allowed on your post, you can keep this checked. You don't have to do anything, just keep it checked. So that way you can have your homeowners give you feedback on what you wrote. Okay, so that's important. That's very important nowadays, getting feedback. Okay, on the right over here, tags is used by search engines to look for content. Okay, so one of the biggest things that for your website is going to be Star Valley. You know, you write Star Valley, then you click add. You could write Star Valley HOA specifically for your HOA. So those are keywords that search engines look for, that when somebody does a search, your post is tagged to those keywords and your post will appear and will be the most popular post for anybody that does these type of searches. Okay, so one key thing that I want to mention is anytime you type anything here, automatically WordPress saves a draft. Okay, it saves it for you, so you can go ahead and save a draft whenever you feel like it, but just know that it saves it for you automatically every time you come in and out of the content here. So now you can save it. So now let's go ahead and preview what we just did before we posted. Alright, so here where your title will be, here's the picture that we uploaded, and the content would go here. Okay, and since we have comments turned on, this is where people can go ahead and write a comment on what you wrote. Alright, and they can post it and give you feedback and the whole 9 yards. You have your own Facebook at your hands here at starvalleyhoa.com. So now let's go back. The last thing you need to do is hit this publish button so you can go live. And that's it. That is the tutorial for adding homepage content to starvalleyhoa.com, and we'll see you later.